In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an issue in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. Jira is a powerful tool for project management, and being able to edit issues within it is crucial for keeping your tasks and projects organized. So let's break this down step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Jira account. Open your web browser and navigate to your Jira login page. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. This area showcases all your projects and tasks. Make sure you're ready, because we're off to the next step. After you're logged in, the next thing you need to do is to select the project where the issue you want to edit is located. So look for the Project tab on the main navigation bar. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your projects. Choose the one you want to work on, and this will take you to the project-specific dashboard. Once you're in the right project, the following step is to click on the List view. This will usually bring up all the issues associated with the project. You might need to dig through a few tabs or sections, but there's typically a list option. You can trust your instincts here. Clicking on this will lead you to a comprehensive view of the issues. Now comes the moment you've been waiting for, selecting the issue you want to edit. Take a look at the list of issues displayed in front of you. Scan through them, and once you find the issue you'd like to edit, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the issue details, and you're essentially just one step away from making your changes. Once the issue is open, you should see the project name at the top. Go ahead and click on this name. It's usually a clickable title. By clicking it, you're confirming that you want to edit this specific issue. At this point, you can actually rename the issue if needed. Just find the title area and type in your new title. This is particularly useful if you realize the title doesn't effectively capture the essence of the task at hand. A clear title can make a significant difference in how the task is perceived among team members. Next, you may want to highlight specific elements in your issue that need more clarity or attention. Look for any text fields that allow you to insert highlights or notes. This extra bit of information can help convey the context or urgency surrounding the task. Now, once all the necessary edits and highlights are in place, it's time to finalize your changes. Look for the checkmark icon or something similar, indicating Save or Confirm. Clicking on this will save all the changes you've made. But wait, we're not finished just yet. Take a moment to add in a description if you haven't done this already. Usually, you'll find an area that says Add a Description or something along those lines. This is where you can delve deeper into the specifics of the issue. Remember, the more context you provide, the easier it will be for everyone involved to take action or understand the situation later. Finally, we need to save all the additional details you've added. Look for a Save button and click on it. Your updates are now stored in Jira. And that's it. You've successfully edited an issue in Jira. As a bonus tip, after you've edited the issue, if you need to exit the edit mode, look for the close or cross icon and click on that. This will bring you back to the main issue view where you can see all your changes reflected. If you follow all these steps, editing issues in Jira becomes a breeze. Remember, keeping your tasks clear and up to date helps not just you, but your entire team stay coordinated. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy Jira editing!